Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. I want to spend 2 minutes today talking about service. Many large companies, medium-sized integrators, they'll have well-crafted service departments with service desks fully staffed and service technicians and engineers, and the whole thing is a great profit center and a wonderful portion of their business. Many small integrators and smaller medium-sized integrators, they haven't grown into that yet. I was one of those that my company, before I transitioned into Jetbuilt, we were just starting to figure out service. It had been up to that point more of a pain point for us, a frustration of resolving systems when devices fail or when an IT director unplugs a Cat6 cable of ours or something. We at Jetbuilt have crafted service to revitalize and to make service become a great part of your company. First of all, a profit center. Second of all, one that you don't have to fully staff. Jetbot can take on a lot of the heavy lifting, and one that provides organization clarity and communication. So we don't do a lot of promotions around here, but we're doing one now around service because we really have seen the power of what Jetbuilt Service has done for our organizations. So we're going to give you 60 days of no risk. You bring on your service team, and in 2 months, if you feel like this isn't helping my team enough, we'll give you that money back. We will give you co-pilot, Clayton, Zach, Patty, to ramp up service within your company. And finally, Jetbot Service Desk, which resolves these cases on its own. So below this video, there are links for you to learn more about service itself, more about Jetbot for service, or simply reach out to support or your sales rep. They'll show you more about this. They'll get you connected. Our main goal here is to show you all the power of Jetbuilt Service and see if it can't transform the way you feel about your service department.